So who is this video for? It's really geared towards IT and service operations leader, anybody who provides a service and want to provide amazing employee experiences. And so what is the problem we're trying to solve in this video? Well, employees do not have always-on, consistent methods to request all the technology services they need. And in this video, through the eyes of our requester, Storm, we will see how ServiceNow can easily address this. How? By offering Storm 24/7 AI-powered self-service with VA and NLU. Really simplifying technology requests and beyond with Employee Center, service catalogs, and you will see that these experiences can be embedded into third-party applications. Finally, employees like Storm get faster resolutions with predictive intelligence as well as dynamic translation solutions. So here it is, ServiceNow's Employee Center. Now, IT leaders, this is request management made simple with a unified portal across departments so employees can stay engaged, productive, and informed and request the services they need from anywhere. As we can see, HR request, IT request, any requests and needs in one place, even out of the box internal and external employee forums. Really a peer-to-peer network to help engage and inform our employees. And Storm can drop into employee communities like this where it empowers employees to participate in internal discussions and discovery forums via their searches. They can even look at leaderboards and reach out to those leaders, as well as the ability to post to events and ask those questions. Here, Storm has action plans, requests, and these can be showcased in the top area, as well as we can see this banner slideshow information that uses machine learning to drive personalized content. And this can be found throughout Storm's portal. Information such as the local hybrid workplace knowledge base articles are presented front and center. And Storm has the ability to rate how useful this KB article and information is. This really better helps our back-end teams with the content. As we can see, this information can be added to My Favorites tab on the left, so the information is at the ready whenever Storm needs to access it. The My Active Items widget once again places information in focus so Storm can check on what's important to Storm. Now, Employee Assistant around knowledge management as well as out-of-the-box CSAT surveys can help teams keep a better pulse on what's important to these end users like Storm, further driving overall experience and engagement. To find out more about paid time off, Storm doesn't have to search through various directories, look through emails. By simply typing paid time off, a query of helpful articles are populated for Storm. ServiceNow offers a full-service employee experience, even a live walk-up kiosk, and scheduling needs are front and center for Storm to take advantage of. Storm can jump in the queue from his desk, or if there's a last-minute meeting that pops up, can easily jump out of the queue and enabling this slot for someone else. As we jump back into the queue, we can see it's simple. Now, Storm is third in line. We can see also the hours of operation, where the tech lounge is located, scheduling, anything around that. And again, we're really just highlighting that this is Storm's portal. We can see content is targeted towards Storm's needs, such as product catalogs, recommended content, quick links, upcoming events, videos, even local cafe menu information. Now let's get into the VA with NLU. So if the KBs, the targeted content, employee communities are not enough, meet our virtual agent with natural language understanding. Storm's and yours quick answer to questions and needs. Now with natural language understanding, there's not a need to look up topics. We can simply type in the need and the virtual agent takes over from there. No live agents needed. Password reset is still a challenge for many departments today, and with consumer-grade security verifications on the back end, agents can continue to work on more complex challenges. Also, If the VA is ever uncertain of the direction of our end users' need like Storm, it can clarify what is needed thanks to some of the AI and ML that supports this chatbot. In this case, Storm's request status is parsed out in a few options, one of them being an IT ticket submission. As we can see, Storm's request is still in process, and he can jump in, add some comments directly right into the ticket from the chat. Last, we realize at ServiceNow that there are instances where the chatbot is not enough. This process is also expertly handled for Storm thanks to ServiceNow's platform. Something as specific as ordering issues may have not worked itself into a virtual agent topic or the recommendations or NLU suggestion aspects. Nevertheless, it is easily addressed. Requesters like Storm can submit a ticket right in the chat, so no phone call, email, or walk to your smartest IT guy is needed. As we can see, Storm continues to get KB information to further support him in whatever his needs are. Now, with a few clicks, the virtual agent automatically routes, assigns the ticket to the next live agent based on availability and their skill sets. Please note that Storm can also reach out to a live agent directly via the chat with wait times or phone or email. Everything is built right into the portal. Now, Storm's experience is not limited to this desktop browser. ServiceNow's native mobile app seamlessly carries any of this information, this full experience, into the palm of the hands of Storm. This AI search, targeted content, self-help, virtual agents, all front and center for Storm. And this experience is not limited to ServiceNow solutions. Once again, third-party messaging apps and platforms are part of the virtual agent and incident auto resolution process, proactively helping Storm in the tools of his choice. Now, some of you watching Storm's journey may be saying, sure, but how long does it take to get this up and running, this AI, always on, AI-powered service? Let's start with knowledge-based information that you saw populated in every aspect for Storm. ServiceNow offers guided setup for knowledge management. Now, knowledge management guided setup provides a sequence of tasks to help you configure knowledge management, offering ways to define requirements, the ML, and really align to the company strategies, even offering KCS methodology, knowledge demand insights, and translation management. Each section is broken down to a specific task that can be assigned to key individuals and or groups. So let's talk about the service catalogs that we saw. Items such as hardware, software, onboarding requests we saw served up to Storm in the Employee Center. Meet ServiceNow's Catalog Builder, a visual and guided experience where service owners like you can create or edit catalog items along with departmental and role restrictions very simply. Now, the Catalog Builder experience enables you to delegate the creation and maintenance of one catalog or many catalogs. And finally, let's dive into chatbots, virtual agent setup, and hopefully demystify some of the perceived complexities around the setup and the maintenance of natural language understanding, AI, or machine learning around these virtual agents. ServiceNow has listened to customers like yourselves, and we've created a conversational interfaces workbench. This includes guided setup around general conversation setups, virtual agent setup, agent chats, and this really puts it all in one place, helping teams to get started in days, not weeks or months. So with that, this concludes the video. With ServiceNow, requesters like Storm get 24/7 AI-powered self-service on a single platform that simplifies technology requests and beyond. Even the ability to use third-party messaging tools such as MS Teams. And finally, employees like Storm get faster solutions with predictive intelligence. If you like what you saw, or if you have any questions, please see some of the information here, or even better, please reach out to your local representative and see how ServiceNow can deliver this for your company. And with that, I want to thank you for spending your time with me.